What we can see with Bitcoin, it's highly related and correlated to market, obviously, with Trump, geopolitics, tariffs, and it's also like related to clarity with the sector. So Trump promised to have like a more clearer regulatory framework, hopefully very soon. So it's something that's going to probably like boost the crypto market.
And let's get into the weeds on that, because there have been a lot of catalysts lately that have been very supportive around spot ETFs. That was a big catalyst for 2024. The market was looking for the strategic reserve for crypto as another big mover. But the reality is we saw a mover for Bitcoin subtly, because we saw repurposed Bitcoin into this reserve, but not much more. So what would specifically be a driver if we saw a change to regulation?
So you're absolutely right. If we look at what happened in 2024, last year, we had the ETF spot for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. We had the halving episodes. We have the November elections, obviously, interest rates that play a role. So many things brought some boost for the crypto market. This year, I would say that Trump announced the Bitcoin reserve and the strategic reserve, but I would see it more like as a reclassification, nothing really new, given that there were already like a lot of talks going on mid-2024. So I really see it as a reclassification rather than something new, and they are like also big unknown. We don't know which crypto are going to be selected. We don't know anything about the codes. We don't know much about the asset mix. We don't know much about the timeline. So many unknowns still remain on these reserves.
Marion, you, by the way, the Business Insider, was it they called you a cryptocurrency mastermind? So we've got the right person with us now as well. I was always told, well, your crypto, a little bit oscillating, a little bit volatile. What you really need to concentrate is on the mechanics of blockchain, which is far more exciting for fintech and far more exciting for finance as well. And yet I have noticed the odd article creeping into my inbox and into the news feeds that I read as well, that's saying, well, blockchain transactions are on the decline a little bit. Some of those investments haven't necessarily paid off as well. So whilst, just for this moment, I'll park crypto a second, but I was always told blockchain is where it's at. Are there now questions being raised about the worth of blockchain to revitalise the financial architecture?
Yes, so on crypto, yes, I fully agree with you. It's clearly highly volatile. I have no doubt that many cryptocurrencies are going to crash, by the way.
Many of the 13,000 out there or so.
Many. Some will stay. I'm thinking about Bitcoin. I'm thinking about Ethereum,
yes,
for different reasons. Bitcoin, I see it more as an investment. Ethereum is used for decentralized finance and many other use cases. When you look at the blockchain technology and the other fintech applications, I think there is a lot of momentum these days regarding tokenization of finance.